It's really beautiful, man.
Sure, green as hell.
You know, I'm a country boy, John.
It's a bunch of crap. You're born in L.A.
Malibu.
What the fuck?
Howdy! Dale Dixon! Welcome to Star City, boys! We got a full day ahead of us, so if you just follow me over to the motel, we'll get you unpacked and get you something to eat. You know, as soon as I saw you guys drive by, I knew you must be the boys from California. Cops look the same everywhere, I guess. Well, follow me.
Oh, shit.
Scrambled, I've scrambled, whole sausage.
You boys are in for a treat now. Say, Fern, can you bring us an extra biscuit, too?
Sure thing, Hurricane.
Oh, and some more coffee, too, please.
She just call you Hurricane?
Yes, folks call me that, never have figured that way. I figure we can wait up in the woods. When the bad folks show up, we'll put the stopper in the bottle like that. Those folks will be sorry they ever heard of Star City, Arkansas.
This is good. This is really good. My mother used to make food like this.
Oh, thank you, Fern. How's Walter?
Well, he had his gallbladder taken out yesterday.
No, good for him. Yeah, I'll be giving you boys 100% cooperation. Me and my two deputies, well, we'll take turns trading off, watching the place around the clock. So you boys can just take it easy, relax, drink beer, chase chicks, whatever you want to do.
We'll help. We'll help you.
Now, suit yourself. Oh, another thing, homemade Malcolm. I guarantee you don't know jack shit about all this stuff with his nephew.
You talk to him?
Not yet. I just know it. Hell, there aren't even any telephone lines out to that old place. It's like a hermit, hardly ever steps foot off his property. I think we ought to talk to him and let him know.
That may be the case.
Hey, Charlie, get on in here. Charlie's the deputy, retired police officer.
Morning, guys.
Charlie, this is Dad Cole.
How are you, Dad? Pleasure, Charlie.
And this is Dan McIntosh.
Nice to meet you, Dan.
John McFeely.
Oh, yeah, right, McFeely. All them Mac names sound alike to me. Charlie, you had your breakfast yet?
Yeah, Jocelyn picked me a nice breakfast.
Charlie's a goddamn Yankee from Detroit, but he's a good old boy.
Listen, Dale. If we talk to this guy and he's actually involved in this shit.
I already told you don't know nothing about
Hurricane.
it.
I'm Dale. These are dangerous people we're dealing with.
I understand that. Well, you boys about ready?
Just a second.
Here you go, Fern. Keep the change.
Well, now, there ain't no change here, Hurricane. It's a $12 check, and you just give me a 10.
I'll catch you later.
Is he gone?
Hey, I haven't had a full meal since I met the son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Go on.
He's gone.
210, go ahead, Jimmy.
Better go over to Harlan Children's. Marine called, said he's raised hell.
Jimmy, I'm on a case here. Unless he's trying to kill her, I don't have time.
She said he's trying to kill her. Well, you know how it is. I'm just letting you know.
Okay, 10-4. Hop in, boys. We got to make a little stop before we head out to the Malcolm place.
Right over the door! Dan! Hooray!
Harlan!
Hooray!
Harlan!
Hooray!
Settle down!
Hooray!
Settle down!
Harlan, goddamn! Don't be
You calm down now. Calm down now. You want to take a ride with me, huh? You want to take a ride with me? Huh? You settle down right now.
You ain't out all night drinking, Hurricane.
Okay.
Well, what are those men doing here? They're not here taking away
Shut
our
up, Lord.
damn.
It's okay, Lorraine.
She locked me out. She locked me out of her cake. She won't let me in for nothing.
I understand that. I understand that now. Look, laid out all night drinking, and you knew she was going to do this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you say you're sorry, I bet she'll let you in. Okay?
He knows I will. We'll go to church on Sunday, and he'll feel a whole lot better.
All right, Lorraine. Just get yourself up. Get yourself
You're not
up.
gonna let them take you
It's
away.
all right. It's okay. They're with me. They're from Los Angeles. Okay, now you get up. Get yourself together. Okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up. Come on. Get up. Okay, now come here. Now, would you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Would you put this axe back in the shed?
Okay.
All right? All right?
Okay, Hurricane.
Yeah. I don't want to have to come back out here.
Okay.
You're going to be okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You put that axe back in the shed. And fix this window.
Tell Shirley and the baby I said hi.
Okay, all
Gotta
right.
hide.
Sorry about the window.
That's all right.
It's okay, boys. Hell, I'm out here twice a week.